Still on coordinate geometry, we want to find the values of x at the point of intersection of the curve y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3 and the line x plus y equals 1. What are the values of x at the point where this curve and this straight line meet, or where they intersect? So how do we solve this? Now we have that from the first equation, y is equals to x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then the second equation, we have that x plus y is equals to 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make y the subject in the second equation. So my y will be equals to 1 minus x. So what am I going to do? I'm going to equate both sides. Y will be equating to y. So that will imply that x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 minus x. So the point where they intersect, we equate both sides. So I'm going to collect them to one place. So I'll have x squared, x minus x will cross over. So I'll have 2x plus x. I have minus 3, and then the minus, the one will turn to minus. That will be 0. So I end up having x squared plus 3x and then minus 4, and that will be equal to 0. So I've formed a quadratic equation. So I can factorize by looking for two numbers. I will add. It will give me plus 3, multiply to give me minus 4. The two numbers are simply minus 1 and plus 4. Yes. So I will have x squared minus x, plus 4x minus 4. That will be equal to 0. So I have minus 1x, which is minus 1. Then I will have plus 4. So minus 1, which is minus x, plus 4 give us 3. And minus 1 multiply minus by 4 will give us minus 4. So I can group them together. So I will have x squared minus x grouped together plus 4x minus 4 be grouped together. So what is common here is x minus 1. What is common here is 4. X minus 1. All be equal to 0. So I now have, I'll take one of them which is common, x minus 1. Then I'll have x and plus 4. All of them will be equal to 0. So I can either make x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. So x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0. So at this point, my x will be, this crosses to become 1, this crosses to become minus 4. So the two values of x that will satisfy this quadratic equation and the point where the two equation curve and this red line meet is at x1 and x equals 4.